If you've ever wanted to explore affiliate marketing, then GoHighLevel's affiliate program is probably a great place to start. If you haven't heard of GoHighLevel, it is a fantastic platform with tons of features to help you run your business and become more efficient. Today I'm going to show you quickly and simply how to join their affiliate program so that you can make money. If you'd like to join GoHighLevel, you can actually use my affiliate link in the description down below. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. So the first thing I'd like to do is just clear up any misconceptions, okay? Because there are many pyramid schemes out there, and there are many MLMs, and there are tons of affiliate programs out there that don't actually work. So one of the major myths is that GoHighLevel's affiliate program is some kind of pyramid scheme. And yes, it does have a strong community and monthly leaderboards which showcase top affiliates. And this clearly states and shows, because of their transparency, that it's not an MLM or a pyramid scheme. It's unlike any overpriced MLM products. Their software really is a no-brainer. At $97 a month, plus you get scalable usage fees, which you can pass on to your clients. So why is GoHighLevel's affiliate model working for affiliates? So Sean Clark, GoHighLevel's founder, he explained that it's unlike other software companies that rely on big sales teams and costly fundraising. GoHighLevel actually empowers marketing agency owners to promote the platform because they actually physically use it themselves. So instead of hiring a team of people to sell a product, and the team of people have absolutely no idea how the product works because they don't actually use it, all they are trained to do is sell the product, right? And this could be very costly. What Sean Clark said was an affiliate program was a much better route because he is empowering marketing agencies to promote a product because they use it and because they believe in the product. Agencies now help retain clients better by providing more personalized support since they understand the software, and then of course it's beneficial both sides. So your affiliate program actually earns you a generous 40% reoccurring commission, and I'll explain that in just a second. So here it is. Here's the two-tier commission structure. So tier 1, right, is the direct referrals, and that's where you get 40% reoccurring commission on subscriptions for any customers that you refer directly. So for example, if a referral signs up for the $497 a month plan, you can earn $198 monthly as long as they stay subscribed, and you, of course, as the affiliate program ambassador, you will support them and help them set up, get started, and put GoHighLevel into their systems. Now, the second tier is a network override. So it's a 5% commission on earnings from affiliates that you referred. So if you go and refer another person to create an affiliate program account, then you will get 5% from that. So if an affiliate that you've introduced earns $50,000 in commission in one single month, you get 5% of that, and that's without any extra work. That's all on them. You just get that 5%. So the structure really is rewarding for both direct sales as well as building a network, and it provides scalable and passive income for all types of affiliates. Now we get the advanced affiliate features and the profitability, right? So once you've referred over 30 subscribers, you get a custom landing page to showcase bonuses and trials. So GoHighLevel also rewards affiliates on subscription upgrades, which will give you 40% of the price difference when clients move to a higher plan. And this, of course, will encourage building reoccurring, stronger passive income. And despite that 40% commission, GoHighLevel actually profits from usage fees on texts and emails. So they get discounts from vendors like Twilio and Mailgun, and they make money on the difference, enabling them to sustain the affiliate payouts in long term. So they make money, they have clients for life, you make money in the affiliate program, and everyone is winning. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, GoHighLevel's affiliate program has tons to offer, and it's a great place to start if you are wanting to get into affiliate marketing. Now, as I mentioned before, if you'd like to use GoHighLevel as a product, you can go ahead and use my affiliate link in the description down below to get started. We'll see you next time.